started our pickup point, even though I.
The feedback.
Okay.
Just there. Excuse me, because he had baby, I guess feedback for me.
The wet market here in Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon.
The fresh water. And the one inside, you know it? The fish inside. This is the baby of the shark. Đây không có. Cái gì đang là tiếng cô. Xem ha. There is samples. Rice noodle. This is in here. And our main character.
Pork belly and meatball.
Yes. Then you mix it and enjoy.
Hi, thank you.
Phở gà.
Phở gà.
Chicken noodle.
I mean, you eating your
Good.
bone chop.
Boom. Cyclo tour. We are dodging in and out of traffic. Mark, look back here. Just wave. Just wave. We're really close here. Motorcycles, buses, trucks, cars, you name it. This might be called contents of a dead woman's phone. Oh my goodness, this is scary. What? People are just walking. Wow, we get all these people coming. We're just going in there. Somehow we keep from getting hit. I don't know how. Oh my goodness.
Only see it when you go to the local place like this.
Yeah.
And so we're going into the what used to be night market.
Yeah, he's backing up.
I'm watching.
Got deliveries here.
Early morning, a lot of people have to wait.
We're trying salted coffee.
Right.
First there was condensed sweetened milk on the bottom, and then he put in coffee and stirring it up. Then he added ice
That's a salted cream.
and salted cream on top. Okay, I'm sorry. I know there's a lot of video of this, but this is just crazy. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, this is all the fabric that they sell over here. They have whole streets just full of only fabrics. And they can make a suit or a dress in one day. This is another area where they do a lot of baskets and paper goods. This is the Thien Market we're going to next. It's mainly a wholesale market, not a retail market. We're at a stoplight right now. Getting ready. Look at how close we are. These are in front of the temple, and they're birds, and you can buy one and release it inside for good karma.
They have to go to Vietnam to settle down in here. So as you can see, all the architecture here, that's the original architecture from 1744 to now. On the temple, you have to take off your temple.
I don't know if I can zoom in, but Yeah, it's really ornate, detailed. Beautiful.
So they use round incense, and they put their wish, and when it burns, it
On
takes
the
3
paper.
days, and when it catches fire, their wish come true.
Hand, make your feet, no, make your eye no live here. Only when we do teach you how to crawl when you were a baby.
This seems to be the clothing district. There's just shops after shops with all these different clothing options. Everything is super, super inexpensive too. And this must be accessory row with scarves and hats, belts, watches, lots and lots of hats. Look at this. They even take their dogs on the scooters. They just ride along. This here in Saigon, and it's a big tourist attraction. Apparently you can get really good souvenirs here. This is the post office in Saigon, built by Gustav Eiffel, same guy that built the Eiffel Tower. This is the Notre Dome of Saigon, and it's currently under construction. This is currently the City Hall here in Saigon, but it used to be the Hotel de Ville until 1954. This is Ho Chi Minh Square, right in front of the City Hall in Saigon. And there is Ho Chi Minh himself.
That's trying the partially hatched duck egg. So there's a duck in here.
It's a little
This
bit.
is a delicacy in Vietnam. The duck is partially hatched, meaning that this little duckie's inside, and you just eat that. And Vanessa's going to scoop it up and put it in her mouth.
This is actually walking street. It goes from the City Hall, which we were just at down there, all the way down along to the river. Right here, this is the Bitexco Financial Building, and right there, that deck is on the 49th floor. It's a big observation deck.
That's 68 floors total in that building.
Wow.
Happy New Year is Chuk Song Nam Moi.
Yeah, what he said. So it's the year of the snake. The end of the walking street, now the river, and then of course there's the main port and big cruise ship in town today. This is the Saigon Opera House. This is the Cha Tam Church here in Saigon. It's a Roman Catholic church. It's the inside of the church. Flower markets here, very popular and very, very inexpensive to buy. Huge bundles for like $15. Daisies are the most common for funerals. You wouldn't give daisies as a gift to someone because it means you want them to die. And if you send daisies to a wedding, then it means you want the marriage to die. Market in Chinatown. And these little ladies sit out and they put whatever out that they want to cook and sell. Since we came to Chinatown today, we decided to do a dim sum lunch. These are the starters, and this is a cheese bun, and those are pork buns. Okay.
I like to give you lots of noodles.
Yep.
No day
Noodles.
is complete without noodles.
But these are wide noodles. There's some kind of egg roll and a shrimp fried wonton.